So Laurie and I wanted to just drop in and say hi, and hope that you are going to come and join us for Purpose Driven Pathways, which starts on Thursday this week. But a couple of people had said to me that they weren't quite sure what cosmic smashbooking was and how that fitted in really with what we're going to be exploring together on Thursday. So we thought we would just come and share what the process is a little bit, but really to reassure you that actually you don't need to know. What
Right.
you do need is something that looks a bit like that, whether it is a journal, whether it's just a piece of paper for the first one. We recommend, I mean, actually I've got, this is my sort of work to do book, that works fine. That's better than having those that have got like a spirally bit down the middle.
Yeah.
Because when we work with the process, the method that is cosmic smashbooking, we work with the left and the right side of the brain, and we cross over the page. So, Laurie, do you want to add anything to that?
Yeah, I think the other and the other thing that really drew me into cosmic smashbooking, because I've always been an art journaler. I've always done that. It's always been something that's been my go-to, but what I love about this is that it's also an energetic process.
Yeah.
So a lot of what we're going to be using, as Celia and I actually discern over the series of meetings, where we're going with our business, is using the creativity, the energy of creativity, the energy of words and color and images to uncover. And that's really what smashbooking is about. So you don't have to know what smashbooking is, but just bring curiosity to what might unfold for you. And this is not about being creative. This is one page I have where I was discerning some next steps that I was going through. And I have many books here, but it's fascinating when I go back now and look at my pages to see what was it that I was going through at the time. And this was a page I did when I was calling in, my beloveds, the people that I work with. And so it's not anything you have to know, like Celia said. You just come. It's actually fun. It's
Yes.
very freeing, to just see what unfolds. And it's and it is a process that we both use ourselves to discern
yeah, I think
on a
that, to
regular
me,
basis. Yeah.
that's key, is that this is a process that we both use to work out what is going on, to work out where our business wants to go. I'll show a simple page that I did. So this one, I was thinking about, how do I get from where I am now to where I want to be? And I had this idea of a bridge, which is, I've got a badger. So I've done a lot of writing. We set our intention, and then we move those words with color. That's, I feel, is my superpower. I move energy with color. And so I've got a lot of color going on underneath. I found this image of badger, and that felt a very supportive message coming through to me. I then have this beautiful bridge that is all made of flowers, which makes perfect sense because my business is garden party. But here's the fun bit. When I got to the edge of the page, actually that picture wanted to come over on to the next page. The immediate message I had from that is, don't limit yourself. Keep going. Don't just stop at the edge of the page. Go over the page, expand, which is my word of the year. And so a lot of these pages, even though we're scribbling,
Yep.
the one that I mean, I totally love this. This really is the page that birthed Purpose-Driven Pathways, because I think sometimes underneath here, that was my process.
Right.
And I love this image, which sort of, sometimes in business, I feel a bit like that and going, oh, you know, I've got my eyes shut. I don't know where I'm going. Sometimes I feel I'm in a little bit of a whirlwind and I don't, you know, what is going on. But here is my future self calling me in and saying, are you coming? Are you coming? You know, follow one step at a time.
Right.
So that's what we will be doing with you if you come and join us in
Yeah,
Perth.
we'd love to see you there because we don't know where this is going to go ourselves. And that's a lot of the fun of this, right? Is
Yeah.
we're taking this fourth quarter to uncover and get ready for the next
And
year.
who
So,
knows? And it might
goodness.
feel a mystery, but we're only on week one. We're only on
So,
week.
yeah.
We're starting. See
All
you
right.
then.
Thank you. See ya.
Bye.